Are you ready to tell me where the money is?
Mama, I'm not feeling too well. I'm not feeling too well. I have typhoid. Please, don't you stop.
Just imagine first son, the only son. Look at what you have done to yourself. Huh?
Mama, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm not feeling fine. Please. Please, don't
See,
me.
I will not ask you again. Where's the money? Oh yeah, flog him.
Mama, please. Mama, I will make amends now. Mama, please.
Hey, you! Did you come to my house yesterday?
No, please don't shoot.
My face, how did you come to What did you do to my son?
Please, please. It was a mistake. I mistakenly hit his head.
Oh, you did what?
I'm sorry. Please, don't shoot me.
You know he's my only son. And you did that to him. You want me to shoot you now?
Please, 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 please. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him, please, please, please. I beg you, I beg you. Please, please. Because,
Please, calm
please,
down.
I beg you.
Calm down.
I beg you, I beg you, I beg you.
Please.
Please, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey! Igemu, you want to kill me? You see it? They are not like a rabbit, they want to kill you. You will not stop. You will not stop. Ha!
Oh, Chimo. Oh, there's so much going on around me. There's so much.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, excuse me.
Good idea.
I did not ask for this war. No, 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 no. But I'm confronted by one. By someone who used to be the one for me. Someone who meant a lot to me. Oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it. Oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it.
Hi. Are you serious about what you said over the phone?
Yes. But we can't talk about it right now. I'm not in the mood.
Why not? I mean, why can't we talk about it now?
Because it's not safe to talk about it here.
What are you saying? Are we kids that we cannot face the result of our actions, or do you think that I cannot take care of the baby?
That's not what I'm saying.
Then let's talk about it now. This is the right time for my healing, Joanne. Since Anne is dead, let's go ahead and get married.
We cannot get married. We can't.
Look, don't you have feeling for me? Look, I came here fully prepared.
Please, can you just go? Leave. We'll talk about all this.
Please, Joanne, marry me. Heal me, Joanne, please. Marry me.
Blades! Anne!
Wait a minute. Are you the one she's pregnant for?
I thought you were dead.
I see. Don't touch me. You owe me no explanation.
Anne,
Don't bother.
it's not what you think, Anne. 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 Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you. I mean, they mistook someone else for her.
Oh my goodness.
I don't understand. How Ken forgot where he started from? Ken has placed a heavy burden that is heavier than me on my shoulders. I am too old for this. My daughter, what can I say? Thank you very much for saving my life. I mean, it is not easy in this very hard economy for somebody to bring out such a huge amount of money just to save someone's life. May your pocket never run dry.
Amen.
Ken, I suggest you change your line of business and start up something you think will be lucrative. I'll give you some money.
You've actually done enough already. Thank you.
It's nothing. I mean, God has blessed me, so I have to bless others. I'd give you 500,000 naira. And that's just for a startup. Within the month, I will still add up something for you.
Oh,
Hi, my daughter.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Look, you are a very good woman. You are very nice. My God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Hey.
Ego.
Auntie.
You'd have to go back to school. Get a degree, and then I'll help you get a job. Don't worry, I'll sponsor you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Auntie. May God increase your wealth.
Amen.
Okay, I'd have to be on my way. I need to see my father before getting back to work.
It's all right. When you get home, tell your father that Ononuju sends his regards. Okay?
Here, here.
All right.
Ken, call me tomorrow.
I'll do that. Sharp, sharp.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey.
This auntie is a good person.
Where did you say you met her?
Hi. At our car wash show. She used to come and wash her car there.
Hey, this woman is nice, oh.
Very nice.
Look, now, what you need to do now is to sit down and plan properly. Decide on the line of business you want to do. You know, this kind of opportunity is rare. It comes once in a lifetime, okay?
I think I'll start with foodstuffs first. I'll start in the street.
Okay.
Yes, at least 500,000 can go a long way.
That is big money, oh. Hey, 500,000.
As for me, I'll go and dust my WAEC results and also buy my JAM form. At least it's not too late to go back to the university.
Come on, my daughter. Nothing is ever too late in this life. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
I said it. I said God will remember us
Yes.
And now God has remembered us.
I'm so happy. So finally, I'm going back to school.
Oh, yeah?
Papa, let me go and get you your food.
Forget about food, I'll eat later. This news is enough food for me. In fact, my stomach is filled now. My son, congratulations. Check me.
Brother, what is in your mind? This is why you are laughing.
You will understand.
I saw the way you were looking at me. I saw the way you were looking at me.
Ken has placed a heavy burden that is heavier than me on my shoulders. I am too old for this.
Mom. Are you angry?
Hello, Daddy. Why are you sounding this way? Are you alright? Who's crying in the background? Peno sent me a message. Oh, thank goodness. I'll be there right away. Just give me a few minutes, I'll be there. Okay, Daddy.
Mom. What are we going to?
We're going to see Grandpa.
Which of them?
We're going to see my father.
Mom, I'm tired. I'm tired of going round. I'm tired of going everywhere.
My baby. I'm so sorry for making you go through this. Alright?
Alright, Mom.
Moreover, real men don't get tired.
Alright.
And look, Uncle Peniel sent us some money. So we're going to use that money to make our lives comfortable.
Okay.
Let's go get our bags.
I shouldn't have let this happen.
Please, Joanne, I can take care of you and my child.
I can take care of my own child.
Why are you doing this?
Anne has gone through so much of late.
But you just heard her, so do I go crawling on my nails when you are carrying my child?
Please, you will not understand.
What won't I understand?
Anne needs you more than you need me right now. So please, go take care of her and your son, and I will take care of raising my own child.
What son are you talking about? You're kidding me, right?
That boy with her is your real son.
What?
She, She, she got pregnant after visiting you in Toronto.
What? 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 What?
God, please forgive me. I know I have not prayed for a long time. Please save my son. He can be impotent, but please let him live for me. I cannot afford to bury two of my children at the same time. God, please help me. Hear my prayer.
Papa.
My son, thank you so much. You have tried your best. I have surrendered to fate.
You see, we thank God he's alive. Yes.
You mean my son is alive?
Yes, Papa. He's conscious now.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. My son, I thank you so much. You will have help anytime you need it.
Amen.
Oh.
Amen. Thank God. Well, Papa, I say let me rush and break the news to you. Okay. I'm rushing to town to get something, but I'll soon be back.
Look, in that case, let me go with you. I will stop by the hospital.
Papa, not to worry, Don't worry yourself. Let me get what I want to get in town. I'll come back and I will take you myself to the hospital.
Yeah. Thank you, my son. Thank you.
You take care of yourself. I'm coming,
Hey, God. Ken is alive. Hey! Yeah.
There's so much going on around me. There's so much happening around me.
Hey son, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where's your mommy?
She's there.
Lead to destruction. Yeah, I did not ask for this war. No, no, no. Not confronted by someone who used to be.
I don't know.
Adema, did you hear from Peniel? Has he sent my money? Because I need to leave this country with my son. Has he sent it?
Follow me.
You look worried. Is everything alright?
Is he not your brother? He has seen my father.
Is he okay? What's wrong with him?
Come first. Just come.
So much betrayal around me. Temptations and trials surround me. It wasn't supposed to be like this. I really don't know. I don't know what this is. Could this be? Could this be the end? Or the beginning of the end? Could this be? Could this be the end?
What is going on here? Mom. Peniel. Dad. What's going on?
Yeah, in here, talk to your sister.
Peniel. What's going on? When did you come back?
Sister, I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? Were you deported?
Deported from where? He has never left this country. He has been with his girlfriend all this while.
Chimo.
Now see the pot.
Which girlfriend?
Joanna.
Penwell. Where is my money?
Oh, I have asked him about this money severally, but he could not give me a tangible answer. That is why I called the vigilante group to tie him like this. You can call the police to pick him. Maybe when he's there, he will tell us what he did with your money. Mpamam.
That is beating so fast.
Just look at it.
Hello. Where is my car? Where is the money you made from selling my land?
Hi.
Sister, I'm so sorry. It's Bella that deceived me. She gave me a fake visa. I'm sorry.
Ose.
Hello. Sister, you mean you've been in this country, in this Nigeria with me all this while?
I'm sorry.
Yes. Wait a minute. Which Bella are we talking about? Penwell! So you've been with that evil genius called Bella? Someone you knew almost poisoned me because I refused to lend her some money?
Huh?
Sister, I'm sorry. I didn't know Bella is this evil. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Hey. Don't you realize I have gone through hell because of you? I've been through hell in my marriage and everything because I tried to help my brother to get a better life. Oh my God, I'm finished. I'm finished. Oh. Hey.
I'm sorry. Daddy, please, I'm sorry. Please.
Much commotion that could lead to destruction. I did not ask for this war. No, no, no. But
You're my son.
by one.
You are so adorable.
Used to be the one for me. Someone who meant a lot to me. Oh, can it come get me? Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, can it come get me? Oh, get it.
You didn't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Anne, please calm down. I have been looking for you everywhere. I gave up when they told me you were dead. You can ask your father. I was here once, but I didn't want to tell them what I heard. Please, Anne.
What do you want from a broken woman?
Please, let me fix this broken woman as soon as I can.
What happens to Joanne?
You are more important to me than anything else, Anne. Yes. You have always been on my mind all these years, Anne. Please.
Of the end. Could this be the end? Or the beginning of the end? Oh, can it come get me? Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Can it come get me?
Should you not tell her now about Ken? How do you want us to break such a bad news to her with her condition? Please hold it.
I think we should tell her now so that she will bear the pain at the same time. Yes.
Don't try anything stupid here, woman. Because I will not take it lightly with you.
Okay, now, when do you want us to tell her?
What is wrong with you, woman? Can't you hold yourself? this is a delicate situation. So don't make things worse for her. It has not been easy for that girl.
I'm sorry, dear. But I'm just being anxious, that's it.
No, this is not time to be anxious.
What is all this? This is not why I am here. Can you just go back to wherever you're coming from?
I will make it up to you, please. I will make sure you recover all your losses.
I don't need your help.
Please, Anne. Please. I love you so much.
Don't touch me.
I can't live without you, Anne. Please. I love you so much, please.
When one's at the bed survives the assault from the weaver bird, it shouldn't deceive itself that it's swifter than the weaver bird. It is its chi in his benevolence that spared its life. You want to go?
I am stupid.
Stop.
I am mad.
Stop.
I am foolish.
Stop.
I'm finished.
Please, Ken, stop this. Stop it. Remember what the doctor said to you. That you are the risk of having internal bleeding when you do any strenuous thing. Stop.
I'm foolish.
It's okay.
I'm mad. I'm useless. Leave me.
I think this is the right time.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I've called him on phone. He's in the bathroom. He will come and open the door. So.
Right.
Okay. No. This is sweet. I have to look. No. I have to do something else. Okay, let me do the other mirror. Okay. I will pretend as a waiter. Yes.
Hey, I'm stupid though. I'm useless. Ay, ay. Hey, hey, Gaba, oh. I'm stupid. I'm useless. Ay, 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 ay. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I'm so. Ay! Ay! You. Hey.
Why are you doing this? Will you stop this? Stop this. How long will you continue like this? You're going too far with this, and it makes me upset.
Let me mourn my stupidity. Do you know how I'm feeling deep inside of me? I am roasting inside. I'm hurting. I'm shattered. I'm broken. I'm finished. I'm stupid. Eh?
I understand how you feel. Honestly, I do. But you don't have to continue like this. Please, I beg of you. Stand up so you go have your bath.
Just leave me the way I am. I like the way I am. I'm fine. I'm fine with this. I'm fine the way I am.
She's here.
Eh?
Said she's here.
She's here?
Yes.
Has she forgiven me?
Come find out yourself. Maybe you ask her that yourself.
Okay, let's go. If she's not here, I'll make sure I flog the hell out of you. Ego. Ego.
Brother.
Ego.
Ego.
Papa.
Ego.
Papa.
So you're alive. You're alive. Ah. Oh. So, where have you been?
I've been saved, Papa. I've been saved.
Ego, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Hey. My daughter, come. Oh. This wicked world almost claimed my happiness.
I'm sorry, Papa.
I almost died.
Sorry. Brother, I'm sorry.
Come. Let's go. Hey. So you're alive.
Anne, please. I know you've been through hell, but I'm here now. Please, let's join hands together and change things for good. I will make sure you don't cry again. Please, Anne.
Just go to Joanne and her unborn baby. I will heal. Time will heal me.
Please, Anne. Please.
I just need you to be happy again. Please. I've always told you I want to become a single mother. I'll be happy raising my child.
Blaze, my son, why not give her some time to clear her head? Huh?
I just want them to come with me so I can spend some time with them. I will make sure you don't cry again, and please.
This is the only thing that will make me happy. Besides, Kelechi is not your son. His biological father is not a Nigerian.
What?
I paid someone to do this.
Man.
Yes. I wish you both well. Goodbye.
Sweetheart, are you still angry with me?
I don't know what I am at the moment.
Please, I'm sorry. I was confused at some point. Please forgive me.
And that's a sign. That's a sign that you will leave me someday.
No, I will never leave you.
Fine. You won't leave me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say I believe you. What would you have done if she had accepted you?
Sweetheart,
You see? You don't have anything to say.
please. I promise I will never leave you. Please. Please. I'm sorry, please.
You promise you won't leave me?
Yes, I promise. I will never leave you.
Ever?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. It's fine.
My daughter. So, where have you been all this while?
Papa, Ego came to me and then she told me about her dream. I was scared, but then we have to find a way to solve it.
Honestly, I don't know what is happening between my brother and his wife.
I don't know either. Don't.
I had a dream about them. In the dream, I saw my brother planting on a rock. I went to see a pastor, and the pastor prophesied to me that it is a bad dream. That my brother might leave his marriage with nothing. He also said that if nothing is being done about it, something bad might happen.
I've tried talking to Ken over time, but it seems his mind is made up. Do you know how many times I've called and sent him series of text messages? And he ignored all of them. I really do not know what to do anymore.
I'm really worried. Really, very worried. My concern is about my father. I'm really concerned about his health.
I'll keep trying. Oh yes. I just have to keep trying.
Yeah, you've really tried your best. Thank you for all you've been doing. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
I'm hungry. Do you have anything in the house?
Sure.
Don't tell me it's noodles, because I will not eat noodles.
Go to the kitchen and find yourself whatever you want to eat.
I'm suspecting you, but let me just go. Coming back.
So, after everything, Papa said that Ken still insisted that he wants a divorce. Why?
If I were Anne, I would have just forget about this whole thing and move on. I mean, this whole thing is... I would have just moved on and looked for peace elsewhere. This whole thing is not worth it at all. It's really crazy.
Well, I'm concerned about Kelechi. I know my brother. I know that he cannot take care of that boy. I'm concerned about his mental health. The poor boy don't even know what is going on.
I'm concerned too, but we all have tried. We all have tried.
I hope this will work.
How would I know? You came up with this whole idea.
It will work. I believe it will work. All you need to do for me is always visit my father so that he won't feel depressed. Please.
What will you gain from this fake news?
I just want Ken to come back to his senses.
I'm not sure. Because Ken, your brother, is acting like one who is under a spell. And if he is, what makes you think this can hold him down?
It will. It will hold him down. I believe. I don't know, but I believe it will.
Let's sit back and watch.
Uncle.
Honestly, you can't believe it.
What is it?
You can't believe what is happening right now.
Talk to me. What is it?
Ken, your brother is not the biological father of Kelechi.
No way.
The DNA test said otherwise.
What?
I am still in shock.
How is that possible?
The worst of it is that Ken, your brother, is important.
No way. If Ken is not the biological father of Kelechi, then who is?
Anne has not said anything. As a matter of fact, they said the quack doctor that did the surgery for him ruined his manhood.
Oh.
I just can't believe this. This is too heavy for... Oh, God damn it.
Where is Ken now?
He should be in the village.
No, Papa must be heartbroken.
Okay.
So...
I think you have to leave this place and go stay with your father. Your father needs you now.
So this is the reason and he refused us to see the doctor after the surgery.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think that what Anne did is wrong?
I think she did the right thing. I think she did this to save my brother's face. I also think she did it for him, for us. She knows that my brother is the only son of my father. Oh.
I do not know what to say. Honestly, I've lost it. I do not know what to say. Because if Cain have listened to me from the onset, this wouldn't have gotten to this point. Can you imagine the humiliation?
I know wherever Ken is now, he will wish he could turn back the hands of time.
It's too late.
So sad right now. So sad.
The worst moment of my life is to watch your father in deep pains when he was told you're dead. I'm scared. Honestly, I'm scared. What if he dies? What if he dies as a result of heart attack?
See, that is why I asked you to always check on him. I begged you.
You do not understand. Honestly, you do not understand what I'm talking about. I cannot watch your father die in pains when I know the truth. Do you know I can be jailed for this?
No, nothing will happen to you.
How?
The officer who helped us actualize this knows my intention. So please, do not be scared.
Oh, honestly, I think it's high time you come out of this fake death stuff. It's not working at all.
I mean, you are right. The idea of this whole thing is useless. Ken failed me. Ken failed us. What is the point?
Your father. Your father is in the shadow of himself. Ken, your brother, as I speak, is almost mentally deranged. This whole thing is certainly not working out.
I think I need to go. I need to leave now. I need to see my father. I don't want anything to happen to him. I need to go.
Honestly, you need to. You really need to go.
Yes. I need to go.
That was what happened, Papa. I thank God you didn't collapse along the line. I'm sorry, Papa. I was scared.
Buchi, my son, I must thank you. You have done a lot. So I must thank you for being with us all through this trying period. Thank you so much. You are a good man, and God will bless you for it.
Papa, I know what I did was dangerous. But I did what I did to see if I could calm the tension.
Come on. No need for you to talk anymore. It's okay. All right? No need to explain.
Thank you, Papa. So, brother, where is your wife?
She's
You can see that he's tamarind. He eventually divorced his wife. Yes. And all the advice I gave to him fell on deaf ears.
Brother, we tried everything for you not to send your wife away. After all, she did nothing to you. She has been the one taking care of you and Kelechi for years. No man in his right senses will chase a woman who has sacrificed everything for him to be happy.
Ego, I must tell you, a lot has happened. A lot. Okay, so there's no need talking about them now. Just let it be.
Papa, I need to see Anne.
Nobody knows where she is.
I will go to her father's house. Her father will tell me where she is. Buchi, please take me to her father's house.
Can I come with you?
If you like. Buchi, please. What do you think?
What do I think about what?
I think you have to talk to your mother.
Please. My brain does not need any stress right now. Think.
Milo.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, man.
Where is Anne?
My lord, Anne and her son are inside. They locked up the door and they refused to open for anyone.
Really? Let me. Okay, where is my son?
Your son should be at the back of the house.
Okay, in that case, I'll be back.
I don't think there's any need for you to come back. Go and take your son now because I don't want to see him again in my compound.
Look, Maelo, I know you are a very good man. I know you will not allow my leanings to be truncated. Huh? Like I said, I'll be back. You know? Thank you. Let go. That's it.